You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Now we got the model. She's running a little bit late, so what I'm going to do is take this time and kind of scope out the area, so this will help me get around a little bit quicker as well. So now you all are on the good old GoPro. Hello? Yeah. Okay, I'm about to ride over there. Okay. What is going on, guys? T to the M to the IDD. We are out here in Charlotte. I am chasing the sun. I got the Sony A9III with the 135, and you can see it behind me. So this is going to be very, very quick. But I have the lovely model with me, Tiffany. And where can we find you at?
Tiffany.c on Instagram.
All right, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm gonna hurry up and try to get this shot because it might be the only sun that we get. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right. Bring your face towards me. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, I like that. I'm gonna step back just a little bit, and you can give me that same thing, just for a full body. 1. Keep your face looking towards that way. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can lean with your elbow. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'm gonna stand back. 1, 2. Perfect. One, 2. And just bring it down like this. Both of them yeah, that's it. 1, 2. Stay right there. 1, 2. Boom. Look off that way. Gorgeous.
I just wanna know if you gon' sing along. I just wanna know if this one still your fucking favorite song. I know it is, quit playing with me. I remember when you was laying with me. Way before you started acting different.
I want kind of like that same thing, but come over this way. Yeah, and I want you to just kind of like take a step. All right, and you can kind of have your hands right here in front of you. Yeah, and just take a step. All right, all right. Now you can keep your body diagonal with the light, and you can look at me and look away. I'm gonna take a couple shots. All right. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo. 1, 2. I'll back up a little bit more. 1, 2. All right, like like that. Boom. All right. 1, 2, 3. Bring your right hand up a little bit. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let me get the same thing. I'm just gonna go back a little bit. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, gorgeous. Stay right there. Let me get a full body. One, two, two. Boom. And glance off. Boom. And when you glance off, I want you to glance off in this direction. So kind of look right there. And I want you to look in that area. Gorgeous. And I'm gonna try to get a full body. 1, 2. Bring that left one down. No, the other one. Yeah. Boom, right there. I like that. 1, 2. Come up just a little bit. Yeah. Right. Right there. 1, 2. Perfect. There we go. 1, 2. Boom. All right. Boom. All right. Look off into there. Yup. 1, 2. Boom. Turn your head to me slightly. All right. Here we go. 1, 2. Perfect. Gorgeous. Boom. All right, now stand up and lean on like that pole right there. Yeah. All right. 1, 2. I'm just waiting because I need to go out in the street just a little bit. All right. 1, 2. I like that. You looking like a pro. Oh, oh.